To use Blender with a laptop that uses a trackpad if you do not have a mouse, first start Blender. Next, the most important step is to delete the default cube. Now go to Edit, Preferences, and here, go to Inputs. Here, select the Emulate 3-button mouse checkbox. Also, if you lack a numpad, tick the Emulate Numpad checkbox as well. Now you can exit the preferences as autosave will be on by default, but if it's not, do as I am doing to save it manually. Now the basic gestures are as follows. 1. To rotate view, press and hold Alt, and then use trackpad to click and drag. 2. To zoom in and out, press Alt and Control together, and then use trackpad to click and drag. 3. To pan, press Alt and Shift together, and then use trackpad to click and drag. So, to summaries, Alt plus drag is rotate view, Alt plus Control plus drag is zoom, and Alt plus Shift plus drag is pan. Subscribe to the channel for more of such useful Blender content.